Welcome to our Spring Shorts series. It seems like a good day to make creme brulee. Do you know we've never made creme brulee? My dear friend Jeff Resnick's wonderful son, Henry Resnick, asked me where the recipe for creme brulee was, what episode, and I went through the episodes with Lynn, and we've never made creme brulee. Today is the day for creme brulee. Don't be scared of creme brulee. It's really ice cream mix baked in the oven, essentially. It's a custard. The problem is overcooking it or undercooking it, and we're probably gonna do one of those and then conceal it from you. But anyways, the recipe will work. We are using the indomitable King Arthur baking recipe, which is a classic, very normal recipe for creme brulee. And the ingredients are super simple. It's eggs, cream, sugar, vanilla, and then a little more sugar. It's very easy. All I have to say is let's sachet to make some creme brulee. We're gonna follow their recipe, which I don't 100% agree with. They want you to mix the sugar with the eggs, which seems very odd to me, so that part I'm not gonna do. I'm gonna put 2 cups of cream in my saucepan, and I'm going to dissolve sugar. Now, the sugar content is lower than you might think, okay? Because if you've ever had creme brulee, you know that there's also sugar on top of the creme brulee. So they don't want to make it too sweet. They want you to put 5 tablespoons in. 2, 5. Here's my special spoon that I use for custards. It's split now, which is sort of sad. But the reason is because it doesn't have any finish on it. So when I do that to test the custard, it really works. How do you make a custard if you've never watched Dinner Party Tonight before? You gently heat the milk to melt the sugar, which we're doing right now. And in another container, you crack the eggs, and then you slowly add the warm milk or hot milk to the eggs to teach the eggs not to cook. And you want to keep it moving because otherwise you'll have a little plate of scrambled eggs with a lot of cream and sugar in it. Okay, I'm going to put some vanilla in here. Hey la la, tango americano, hey la la. Thank you. It happened. I opened my front door and asked somebody to open a jar. It happened. I'm just putting some vanilla paste in here. You can use vanilla extract. You can use vanilla seeds. You can use a vanilla pod. Hey la la. Great company. Highly recommended. They also sell pods if you want to use pods. The thing with pods is they're very, very expensive and they're a little messy. I don't know. I got really used to using the prepared things. You see, I put that on the wood so that it doesn't get hot. And I put this over the stem so there's less heat hitting the utensil. That's a little dumb tip. This dissolved very nicely. Okay, I'm just waiting for this to get warm. Egg separating. So unlike a souffle, you don't have to worry too much if a little egg white gets in here. It doesn't really matter. 3, 4, these are nice. Do I like creme brulee? Yeah. I wouldn't really order creme brulee though. It's a little sweet for me. I like sour candy, no doubt. I don't know if I'm really like a fancy dessert person. If there's a choice, what am I always gonna choose? Cheese. Now, do you need a torch? The answer is yes. You kind of can do this in the oven, but it's really hard to torch the top. You have to broil it, but the custard is already cooked. You're gonna overcook your custard by putting it in the under the broiler. This thing is the bomb. Oh, wait. Oh. That's not good. Now this is a precision deal. I'm gonna teach the eggs a little bit. You don't wanna shock them. A little bit. Okay. In they go. I call that teaching the eggs. Now, you don't want to cook this. If this was ice cream, we would cook this, but no, we don't want to cook it. I'm going to sieve this into a pourable, squishy container. If you have a small jug, just warning you that pouring it is a slight drag. This is a jelly roll pan. It has a high side. I checked, this is deep enough. When I put these in, what you're gonna do is set these halfway up hot water. It's like a water bath, essentially. So I boiled water. Now follow these instructions, guys, okay? Because this is really important for anything that you're doing that's in a water bath. Do not try to carry the tray with the filled ramekins and the water. Take everything to the stove. Pour the ramekins and slide it in the oven. When it's on the shelf in the oven, pour hot water halfway up the side of the ramekins, period. Another good trick is put a piece of paper towel here. It'll get wet, obviously, but it'll stop them from sliding, okay? We definitely have 4. Okay, that's ready to go. Now I'm gonna sieve it, which is also a kind of musk, essentially, that comes from the civet cat, which is used in a lot of perfumes. I don't like civet. It's not my bag. You want to use a fine mesh. I don't think there's going to be any lumps in here, but we'll do it anyway. So there was a little bit of cooked egg, but nothing serious. Let's take it to the stage. Here we are, out of cigarettes, holding hands and yawning. Look how late it gets. 2 sleepy people by dawn's early light. Too much in love to say goodnight. What a great song. I think I can get this from here to the oven, but I could be wrong. See, in my opinion, that's a huge dessert. If you think of it as like cooked ice cream, you wouldn't be far off. Oh my God, how am I ever gonna get this to the oven? Okay, I'm gonna do a little chefy thing here where I'm just gonna pop the bigger bubbles. You can do it with the back of a wooden spoon. Okay, here we go. I'm pouring the hot water in. This is boiled water. Oh man, could that be more perfect? I don't think so. You cook it until it's slightly jiggly. You want to see a little movement in the middle. King Arthur with the 2-inch ramekins says 30 minutes. For a tiny 1-inch ramekin, I think that's too long. My suspicion is, if the oven is working, 20 minutes because of the shortness of the ramekin. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this, right? Then after you make it, you wanna set it up in the fridge. Uncovered is fine. If you cover, just don't touch the surface, right? For at least an hour or 2 hours. Then you torch it before service, okay? It's not served hot. So creme brulee, hey, hey, hey. What can I say? So this is approximately 18 minutes. Just gonna check it. Ooh. 20 minutes is totally correct. All right, so here we go. Taking out the brulees. Hands. Okay. Those look perfect. Now I'm gonna show you the jiggle. See that jiggle? That's what you want. Don't worry about these pock marks. Don't worry about that. You're gonna cover it with your brulee, broiled. I guess people used to do it in the oven. So I'm gonna let them come to room temperature, and then I'm gonna put them in the fridge for a couple hours. The time has come, the walrus said, to speak of many things, of shoes and ships and sealing wax, of cabbages and kings, and creme brulee. To be honest, I've never successfully bruleed the top of a creme brulee. It's either perfect in the center and there's no brulee, or it doesn't brulee, or I've never done it right. So let's see if I can do it right with you guys. This is the small one, so I'm gonna start with that one. They say 3 tablespoons for 4 brulees. The question is, I guess you cover it completely. Would that make sense, right? Brulee, 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 brulee. Okay, that's bruleed. Now we have to wait and see. Oh, it cracked. Crunchy bits. Oh my God, look at that. I'm sorry. That might be the best creme brulee I've ever had in my life. Somebody try that. Check that out.
Shoot to camera.
It's not constituted. It's not like a flan, which is sometimes you get creme brulee and it's a little flan-like. Shouldn't be like that. It should be like this. Save the day. Make a creme brulee. Thank you guys so much for watching Dinner Party tonight. What can we say? The Spring Shorts series. There's a lot more coming your way in 2026. Hit the things, and thank you so much for watching our show. We really mean it. And I can't believe I made creme brulee. Brulee, 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 brulee. Brulee, brulee. Brulee, 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 brulee. Brulee, brulee.